Hi guys and girls, today we're finding the midpoint and we're going to be using the midpoint formula. So this video will show you how to find the midpoint using the midpoint formula. Okay, and the midpoint formula is the one that's written here. Okay, and what it does is it adds the points together and then divides them by 2 to find the halfway point between them. Okay, so I'm going to use my points I and j instead of the points down here, but you can use the points down here in exactly the same way. You just do the same job with different numbers. So my points are going to be 3, 1, minus 2, 5. Okay, so let's get started. Now, I always like to write them one on top of each other like this, so that you can just label the x's and the y's and point 1 and point 2. Okay, so when I'm finding x1 and y1 and y1 and y2, I can sort of just look at this diagram and it makes the whole lot easier. Okay, so my first thing is just to rewrite the thing, but substituting in the points. Okay, so I've got m of xy equals, okay, and now I start my substitution. I need x1, x from point 1, which is 3, and I add that to x2, x from point 2, which is minus 1. Okay, then I put all of that over 2, comma, because there's a comma in the thing. y1 plus y2. y1 is 1, y from point 1, 1. Then I've got y from point 2, which is 5, so plus 5. Okay, all over 2. Okay, and that's substituting in the points. All I've done is I've found my x1, my x from point 1, I've put it where it belongs in the formula. My x2, my x from point 2, put where it belongs in the formula. My y1, sorry, that's meant to be a different colour. My y1, my y from point 1, y from point 1, put that into the formula, and y2, my y from point 2, and put that into the formula. Okay, those ingredients go in those places. Now I've just got to do the calculations. So 3 plus minus sorry, that must have been very confusing. I wrote minus 1 instead of minus 2. Okay, 3 plus minus 2 is 1. 3 plus minus 2 is 1 over 2. Okay, 3 plus minus 2 gives me a total of 1, and that's still over half. And I copy out the brackets and the m, x, y stuff. Okay, now I'm going to add the 1 and the 5. 1 plus 5 is 6 over 2. Okay, and that's an acceptable answer. But I can also rewrite that 6 over 2, because half of 6 is 3, is 3. So I can over here give my final answer, which is m xy equals half, comma 3. Okay, and that's the midpoint of those 2 points. Okay, So on the line, that would be half and then 3, half across, 1, 2, 3 up. Okay, and we're done. Hopefully that was helpful. Bye guys and girls.